Good morning, students. I shall continue the previous lecture. I have told you already that lead in Pb3O4 exists in +2 and +4 states. Now, average oxidation number of lead in 2PbO, PbO2 is equal to 2 molecules of PbO multiply the oxidation state of Pb +2 plus 1 molecule of PbO2 into the oxidation state of Pb in PbO2 divided by number of atoms of PbO2 plus number of atoms of Pb in PbO2 1, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 2.67. We have now just proved that the average oxidation number is the same 2.67 as we found by conventional method. Now take the second example. Oxidation state of iron in Fe3O4. We have already found out the average oxidation number of iron, that is plus 2.67. Now I shall prove it. Fe3O4 exists as FeO, Fe2O3. You just total it. 1 iron and 2, 3, 1 oxygen and 3, 4, Fe3O4. Oxidation state of Fe and FeO, as I already explained, write these two atoms separately. Let the oxidation state of iron is A and that of oxygen is -2. Total oxidation number will be equal to A into number of atoms of iron, A into 1A, and this is -2 charge into number of atoms of oxygen, 1 is equal to -2. A -2 is equal to 0. Why 0? Because this molecule is a neutral. Therefore, A is equal to 2. Hence, oxidation state of iron in FeO is +2. Thanks for that.